Hey, this is Coach Allie here at the Circus Arts Conservatory. Welcome to my intermediate hula hoop tutorial. And remember, you may not get every trick right away, but don't give up. The first trick we're going to be doing is called isolation. You're going to want the palm of your hand facing the ceiling, and you're going to grab the top of the hoop. Be sure to have your face in the center of the hula hoop, and you're going to draw a circle with your hand on the hoop, controlling the hoop, keeping your face in the center. It's almost like a steering wheel if you've ever driven a car. At the top of the hoop, you're going to let the hoop roll on the back of your hand, and you're going to grab it. So when you do it faster, it looks like this. This trick is easy to do faster than slow to keep it controlled. And a lot of kids like this trick because it looks like magic. Next trick we're going to be doing is called a chest roll. You're going to hold both arms out to the side, and you're going to do palms down. You're going to keep the hula hoop between your thumb and index finger, and you're going to hold that arm just a little above horizontal. You're going to bring the hoop down, and then at the top you're going to release it and let the hula hoop roll across your chest to the other side. Be sure to tilt your head back so you don't get hit in the face on this trick. Once it goes to the other side, go ahead and catch it the same way you let go of it with that L-shaped hand. We'll do that one again. You can also do this trick behind your back, so instead of getting hit in the face, you can just tilt your head forwards. A lot of problems with this trick is people tend to bend their arms. Make sure you keep that arm nice and straight. It'll allow it to go directly across your chest. The next trick you're going to learn is called kickback. You're going to place your foot sideways into the hoop and have the hula hoop in the arch of your foot. You want to have your foot flexed until you kick back and you point your foot. And you want to hold on to the hoop for balance until you are horizontal to the ground. You want to keep your chest up. You don't want to dip down. Chest up. And remember, you're doing small circles with your foot. The next trick you're going to learn is called knee hooping. So you're going to place the hula hoop on the back of your knees. You want your hands nice and wide. I'm going to push mine to the left, and I'm going to pop with my right knee. You can pop with both knees, but I like to do one knee. And these are faster beats than if you were doing it on your waist. So it's just a forward, backwards pop. From the side, it looks like this. This is one knee. From the front, both knees. Once you've got that down, you can try and take one leg out. You can try either leg, whichever one's easier for you. And you can stick your leg back in, flex your foot, and pop the hula hoop back to your knees. Last trick you're going to learn today is called bun hooping. This is one of my personal favorites. You're going to place the hula hoop on the back of your bun. You want to make sure you have a nice solid bun. You don't want a floppy one. And you're going to tilt your head forward just a little bit. And you're going to push the hula hoop, and you're going to do small circles with your head, keeping that hula hoop nice and controlled. To stop the bun hooping, you can stick one hand in and lift it up. I hope you enjoyed my intermediate hula hoop tutorial. Stay tuned for part 2 on CAC Connects. And remember, keep calm and circus on.